How's it going, guys? Right here. Hope you guys are doing pretty good. I know it's been a little while since my last video. I usually try and get one at least once a week. I'm having to do a voiceover today because I actually forgot to hook up my mic setup today. It was kind of a rush to get out, but yeah, it's a pretty nice ride, not too bad. So about my last video, quite a bit has actually happened since that last video. In that last video, we got the dirt bike finally running. The main reason why it wasn't running before was the original gas tank was leaking. So I replaced it and it was running good that video after I stopped recording it. It was running pretty good. But yeah, sure enough, the next day I pulled it out again to do a little more riding just to play around with it, and suddenly it just kind of stopped running a few feet away from my house. And at the time I had no clue what was going on. I was trying to troubleshoot everything. I replaced the carb, I replaced the spark plug, I replaced the CDI, I replaced the coils themselves, and for a while I thought it was probably the stator, but apparently from using my multimeter it doesn't seem like that's the case. So I really don't know why, but the dirt bike doesn't have spark anymore, so I haven't really been able to ride it, and that's kind of torn me up a bit because I was really kind of leaning in on using the dirt bike for more content because I love riding the scooter. I use it every day because yeah, my car battery's dead and I really can't afford to get another one right now. So I've been really relying on that scooter, and I don't know. I was really torn up that it stopped working. I got some really great guys over at Quasimotars Discord helping me out. I really appreciate you guys. 444 and Mr. Somebody, you guys have been really great help, and hopefully we can get it running soon. Right now the dirt bike is currently just kind of disassembled for the most part in my garage. I tried inspecting the stator, and I didn't do any research before opening the stator cover, realizing that the oil was gonna leak out and I didn't quite put it back on right, so I gotta fix that. But that should be a pretty simple fix. I gotta learn somehow. But yeah, as far as motorcycle stuff goes, that's really been it. I'm hoping to get it running soon. I've just been taking some time away from it. It's honestly given me more frustration than I thought it would. It really shouldn't, because it's just supposed to be a fun side hobby. So hopefully soon we'll get it running. I'd love to do some more videos on it because really it doesn't look like a bad bike with all the plastics, and I got a headlight on it now since that last video. And so yeah, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. As far as content goes, I still want to do vlogs with this channel. I'm gonna try and do some more scooter vlogs, just, you know, throughout my week, each week, at least once a week again, like I was before, you know, with different topics, what's on my mind, and whatnot. As far as content goes, I'm starting to prep my return to doing streams again. During the summer, for those that don't know, my setup is in the garage at the moment. I haven't been able to insulate it quite yet, so it's a little warm in here. But summer is starting to fade. We're going into fall. Whenever fall decides to be fall over here in Texas, who knows? But it should start cooling off soon. I'm really thinking about doing a grand re-entrance to the whole streaming, the whole VTuber thing. I'm planning out a whole new outfit design for Rye. I'm planning on actually making like a whole lore video, kind of like this grand lore video type thing that some VTubers do that have money for the budget, but I'm doing all this from scratch, so it might take me a minute. I'm a little stubborn. But yeah, that's kind of what I've been up to so far. I know it's gonna be a short video, but I'm hoping to start getting back into content soon. I kind of like, once that dirt bike just died out on me, I don't know, I had to take a break because every time I was home, I was fiddling with it and nothing was working, and I'm just had no idea why it just stopped. And so yeah, it tore me up, but it's okay. We're gonna get it running again. I mean, it's a CG engine. You can't kill those things. The Honda designed them, right? I mean, I don't know. Usually they don't. You can find a way to get them to run again. We'll figure something out, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, I know it's a quick one. I hope you guys are doing really well. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and give me a subscribe here on the channel. I'm hoping to do some more content, and leave a like too so we can grow. And let me know in the comments some ideas you want me to talk about on future vlogs, because I'd love to talk with you guys on more motorcycle stuff. If you want to talk about the whole VTuber thing I'm doing as well, hey, I'm down to talk about it. It's a little awkward, but it's okay. You know, that's just part of the thing. But yeah, you guys have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will hopefully see you guys very soon. All right, take it easy.